Hello and welcome to Weightless. This is a practice in setting it all down. Begin by letting your body arrange itself in a way that feels supported and comfortable and relaxed, not held up by any effort. So, spine straight, arms and legs uncrossed, and your chin maybe dipped slightly towards your chest. And then, if you haven't done so already, you can gently close your eyes. Breathing now in and out through the nose. Notice where your body meets the chair or the floor, and feel that pull of gravity. Allow yourself to be held, to feel completely supported. Gently unclench your jaw. Relax your face completely, softening the space between your eyebrows. And then let your shoulders drop away from your ears. And now allow your hands and arms to rest easily with nothing to do. Let your attention drop into your breath, not thinking about it, but feeling it. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nose. Notice the gentle expansion of your ribs and your belly as you inhale, and the soft release as you exhale. Breathing in, feeling the body full. Breathing out, feeling the body soften. Breathing in, feeling the body full. Breathing out, feeling the body soften. Nothing to fix now, nothing to achieve, so just breathe and let your breath be your anchor. You become aware of your mind drifting off into thought. Simply return your awareness to breathing in and feeling the body full. Breathing out and feeling the body soften. Now gently bring awareness to your shoulders. Without needing a reason or going into a story, simply notice any sensation there. You may feel tightness or heaviness, effort or tension. Simply notice its weight without judgment. With curiosity, notice its density, as if it has mass. Rest your awareness there. Now shift your attention to your hands and turn your palms slightly upward. Now imagine gathering the seriousness of your day, the seriousness, the heaviness of whatever you may be going through right now. The mental load, the responsibility, the emotional strain of all the things you've been carrying. Let it all drain out of your body and mind and pull into your open palms. You don't need to name it, just let it gather. Feel the weight of it in your open palms. And now, very slowly, close your hands around this weight, one finger at a time, closing your hands into fists around this weight. Feel the physical effort in your fingers. Feel the effort in your hands and your forearms as you hold on, as you squeeze this weight. Notice how much energy it takes to hold on. As you squeeze, as you tighten that grip, notice this is the sensation of carrying, of grasping, of holding on. This is the sensation of effort, of seriousness. Stay here for one more full breath, squeezing your hands tightly, and then get ready to let it go. Now take one deep inhalation, and on your next long exhalation, open your hands all at once. Let your fingers spring wide open. Let your arms go completely limp. Notice the immediate change. A tingling in your palms, maybe warmth, blood flow returning. Notice how little effort it takes to release compared to holding. Feel the space where the weight used to be. Your body is registering a shift from holding to letting go. Your hands are empty now, light and available. Rest in the sensation of space. Rest in the ease of not carrying anything at all. With your palms still open, notice a light, fizzy sensation beginning to appear in your hands, like tiny, gentle bubbles or static warmth, effervescent and alive. It isn't heavy or sleepy, it feels uplifting and buoyant. Now let this light, sparkling sensation travel slowly up your arms, dissolving any remaining tension as it goes. And now let it pour gently into your chest. Feel a subtle lift through the heart space as if something inside you is rising, a natural buoyancy. You may notice your posture responding on its own, a soft lift through the spine and opening across the chest. This is the physical feeling of levity, lightness from the inside out. Without forcing anything, see if a small smile finds its way to your lips. And notice how that tiny shift sends a signal of ease throughout your body. Let the feeling of the smile and the feeling of inner light blend into one sensation. So you are left feeling energized, easy, light, and unburdened. Feeling lighter and lighter with every inhalation. This lightness isn't something that you have been given. Your body remembers it because you stopped holding what was covering it. And you can return to this feeling anytime you notice yourself picking the weight back up. Now it's time to begin to gently bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the steadiness of the earth beneath you, a grounding counterpoint to your inner lightness. You feel light but supported, spacious but grounded. Take one last deep breath in, and then open your mouth and let it go with a sigh. Invite small movements back into the body, maybe wiggling your fingers, rolling your shoulders. Maybe you're ready to take a big, long stretch. And then you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you for your practice today.